Follow these steps to remove the business account on TikTok. First, launch your TikTok app. Make sure you have already logged into your account. You'll land to the home page. Now head over to the profile page. Once you're in this page, now click on three bars given at the top right corner. Different options will appear. If your account is in the business mode, you're gonna find the option of business suite. Now click on the option settings and privacy. Different sections will appear. Head over to the section account. Then click on the option account. Now you will get this option over here, switch to personal account. Click on that. If you switch your account type, you will lose all business account features. Your account will no longer display your business website and email address. You will still be responsible for any violation you received on your business account. Click on switch anyway. Just with that, you have removed the business account on TikTok. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.